Alright, so I got a real simple video today to make this attachment for the slide hammer. This is the Metal Medic Smashmaster slide hammer. But I bought this tab puller, but I wanted to have a hook, and so I just decided to make one. So it's really simple, and I'll show you guys exactly how to make one of those. Okay, so what we've got here is a 1/2 inch extension, socket extension. And what I've done is there's normally a little ball right here. Well, if you drill the back side, you can just pull the spring and the ball out and then continue drilling it all the way through. Just find a drill bit that's this size, just a little bit bigger, so it fits in there just snug. And yeah, so you can see how I made that. And then I just welded this hook on the end of it. So now I can attach this puller and make this a really quick, easy pull setup. So there you go.